In this video, I will teach you all how to include amazing sound effects in your video. These effects add realism, emphasis, and mood to videos, enhancing the viewer's experience. Hello everyone, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe for more content from me. So let's dive into today's video. To add sound effects to your video using CapCut on your mobile phone, follow these steps. Launch the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon to input the video to which you want to add sound effects. Tap on the imported video clip in the timeline to select it. Now tap on the audio icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, choose sound effects from the options that appear. Browse through the available sound effects library in CapCut. You can use the search bar to find specific sound effects or browse through different categories. I will be adding the camera shutter sound because it aligns perfectly with my content today. So when adding sound effects to your videos, remember to choose what is perfect for your video. So I'll tap on the search bar and type in the sound effect name, which is the camera shutter sound. Once it pops up, tap on the download button next to the sound effect. Preview it and then tap on the plus icon next to it to add it to your video. Next, drag the player to another position and add the sound effect. Repeat this process one more time. Once you are done with that, if your video duration is longer than the sound duration, tap on the timeline, move the player to the point where you want the video to end, then click on the split icon below and press delete to remove the unwanted part. Once you are done with that, tap on the play button to preview your video with the added sound effect. Once you are satisfied with your video, tap on the export button at the top right corner to save and export your video with the added sound effect. Yay, that's it. You've successfully added a sound effect to your video using CapCut on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.